Love that for me. Don't know how I'm gonna
Black girl, if you 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 black girl, do your thing, do your thing, do your thing, do your thing. Black girl, if you black girl, if you black girl, if you
JP, my neck, my back, so butter brown. My neck, my back, my back, my neck, my back, so butter brown. Oh
Hey girl, hey, so welcome back to another vlog, and I'm so excited because I am caught up with all my content. Like, we are current time. Like, even when I post this, if I want to post this, like this week, what is today? Yes, it's this week, literally. I am caught up, and I love that for me. Don't know how it's gonna be like that for long, but yes, I wanted to highlight that. So if you're new here, welcome to my channel. While you're here, go ahead, do that subscribe, cut on that post notification, and stay tuned. And if you're returning, welcome back. And if you watch my shorts, thank you for the love, because that's where I get most of my love from. So thank you, shorts. So in today's video, what we're going to be doing so far to date, we're going to be doing the mother freaking Christmas tree. So we are going to take her down. I have some highlights coming up. So I want to have like just more living room space to work with because it's highlights, and I just want to have the couch like kind of in that corner. So I'm probably gonna be switching around the living room, which every time she comes, she always say my house is different. So she is not gonna be surprised with the switch up, but if it don't work out, it don't work out. But we'll see what happens, because like I'm not completely sold on how I would want to do it. I know one way I would want to do it, but I want to play with this corner because I really do like my mirror upstairs, even though it's very beneficial when I do hair downstairs. And me personally, I don't mind going up or downstairs for now, but I need to get another mirror. So that's that. Right now, where the mirror is actually cute. Like, it's like this, which it really don't suck like this when you look at it, but that's not where I really wanted to go. I was thinking of putting the TV there, but I don't really like that. This is where I want to put the TV next. I just want to highlight this bulb right here, because out of everything on my tree, this bulb was the one thing that I loved the most. Like, so sweet, so simple, and it's not even a statement piece. It's in the corner, and I love this ball just randomly in this corner. So highlighting my ball, because next year we gotta do something. I don't know what it is gonna be, but we might be getting some big balls or something. I don't know, but this one ball, I love this statement piece. Say goodbye to the tree. This is without the flash. She is so beautiful. I enjoyed her. And this is her with the flash. Not that much of a difference, but you can still see the beauty. And today's movie of choice is Mad Money, one of my favorite movies. And I'm just like, you know what? My birthday's coming up. Why not try to manifest money, that big barrel at the end of this movie? Y'all go watch it and manifest with me. Oh, finally figured the lighting out. So before I start watching my movie, I wanted to explain my little process that I'm going to be doing. Forgot to get my big trash bag, but I'm going to put all my bulbs in bags. I'm not going to need all of this. I just grab all of this. Like, good chicken eggs. And you can leave a few of them bitches out. And place them in the bag. Kind of in the order, kind of not in the order type of thing. But I know I want these to be by themselves. And like the whites, I separate the whites and stuff like that. So yeah, we just love to do that. gonna be too much talking because this is the part of the video that should be set up. So that's the video. Plain and simple. Plain and simple, boo. Plain and simple. Plain and simple, boo. Okay.
Shawty get thrown off in my bed. Shawty get thrown off of that head. Shawty get thrown off in that red. Shawty get thrown off in my bed. Shawty get thrown off in that red. Shawty get thrown off on that bed. Shawty get, no I'm feeling right. I need a little bit of that Sprite. You know I'm finna go all night. Yeah, you know. Shawty get thrown off in my high. Yeah, shawty get thrown off in my bed. Shawty get me thrown off in that red. Shawty get me thrown off. I'm whipping up Popeyes. Meet me at my house. I'm so ready, I'm so in a benzo, jamming pop smoke. Got a Spanish bitch on me like a poncho. I'm with a rich hoe, with a hippo. I done had a good day in the 6-4. I feel the love, oh I got it going up. Think about it, going up. Shawty get thrown off in that red. Shawty get thrown off in my bed. Shawty get thrown off with that head. Shawty get thrown off with that bread. Shawty get thrown off in my bed. Shawty get thrown off of that red. Shawty get thrown off with that head. Shawty get thrown off with that bread. Shawty get thrown off.
You know, it's funny because when this movie came out, literally, if I'm not mistaken, this may have came out on my actual birthday, but when this movie came out, this was literally my birthday movie. And literally, I said, that is me manifesting money back when I turned, I don't know how old I was. Damn, I gotta look it up real quick. If I remember when I'm editing to kind of like put the date in there, I can kind of like calculate how old I was. But I think I was like young 20s, maybe. But yes, this was my birthday movie. And also I manifested money by watching this movie as well. That's crazy because literally I'm just doing this, looking at this, thinking about my birthday. And it's just like, man, literally, this is a full circle moment. Come on, guys.
Someone to get money when I take it from me. They don't even need to be as famous as me. I don't think I meet them at the places I be, but deep down I think about you all day, mommy. I know I'm a pit bull, but darling, mommy, I just wanna take you on a holiday, mommy. Say what's on your mind, I'ma call away, mommy. Come and rescue me, take me out the club, take me out the trap, take me out the market, take me out the map. I'm tryna hit the group chat, tell them it's a come and rescue me. Take me out the club, take me out the trap, take me out the market, take me out the map. I'm tryna hit the group chat, tell them it's a rap.
I didn't come this far just to come this far and not be happy. Okay, remember that. I didn't come this far just to come this far. Yep. I saw it on the internet.
I don't really know how to confess my love. Really seem like I wanna test my love for you. Don't know how to express my love. That's why I'm American Express my love for you. I need you, yeah, I really do. Tell me what to do. Tell me what to do. Tell me what to do. All I know is hit the wall to see what damage I could do. I give you the world, but there's other planets too. And I need take you on a holiday, mommy. Say what's on your mind, I'ma call away, mommy. Come and rescue me. Take me out the club, take me out the trap, take me off the market, take me off the map. I'm tryna hit the group chat and tell them it's a come and rescue me. Take me out the club, take me out the trap, take me off the market, take me off the map. I'm tryna hit the group chat and tell them it's all rap. Tryna hit the beat. Don't hit me up in WID me, baby. Send a boy a PIC to see me, baby. Okay, now we talking. Okay, now we talking. Okay, now we talking. When we talk, you gotta listen. I don't wanna go missing. I wanna be consistent. Not a opposition side. Put you in, I'ma put you in. I fuck up position. I need someone to be patient with me. Someone to get money when I take it from me. They don't even need to be as famous as me. I don't think I'll meet them at the places I be. But deep down I think about you all day, mommy. I know I'm a pit bull, but darling, mommy, I just wanna take you on a holiday, mommy. Say what's on your mind, I'ma call away, mommy. Come and rescue me. Take me out the club, take me out the trap, take me off the mark, take me off the map. I'm tryna hit the group chat and tell them it's a come and rescue me. Take me out the club, take me out the trap, take me off the market, take me off the map. I'm tryna hit the group chat and tell them it's all rap.
Whip, body, crib, got it, die on it. Did I ever ask you to take me to go shopping in Paris or go sailing overseas and just drape me in Gucci? No, all I ever asked was you to pick up the phone when you alone. All I ever asked was you to show me some love, kisses and hugs. No, I never had an issue. Go to the club with your boys, baby. I never wanted you to stay too long. Just wanted you to show me up. So won't you say my name, say my name. If you claim you want me, it ain't no that. You acting kinda shady. You ain't been calling me baby. Boy, you can go stop playing games, playing games. Really wanna give you all, but flex in front of your friends. How that works? Swear that you're doing the most, but we take a picture, can't post it. How that works? But you talking back that shit up. Won't you say my, so won't you say my name, say my name. If you claim you want me, it ain't no that. You acting kinda shady. You ain't been calling me baby. Boy, you can go stop playing games, playing games.
This ain't Texas, ain't no hold 'em. So lay your cards down, 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 down. So pocket Lexus and throw your keys up. Stick around, round, 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 round. And I'll be damned if I can't slow dance with you. Come close.
Yeah, it's that bird in the VIP line with the V-time and the East Laurent. She drive a Nissan and she in a P-Run.